Hadiyah.
Hey. Let me see. My journey kind of started when I was 14, as far as like being exposed to getting my conscious raised with my uncle. Some of you might have heard of him, Professor Griff of PE. Took me to Mosque number 7 for me to hear Minister Farrakhan. And after that, he had me doing karate with him, and just kind of exposing me to different books. Then when I got married in 1990, we started going up. We were going to the Slave Theater. We were going to hear John Henry Clark, Dr. Ben. I met Wesley Snipes before he was like a big star. He was. He was really connected to Dr. Clark.
Wow.
He did that. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we had the movie together.
And then
A Great and Mighty Walk.
Yeah, A Great and Mighty Walk.
A Great and Mighty Walk. Thank you.
So I really, as far as in my family, I'm probably, everybody looks at me as this Sister Soldier, Black Power type person. Everybody else is kind of, they just looked at me like I was militant, which I don't see myself as that. I see myself as, you guys need to be able to look into who you are. They have the, and I'm not down on them, I love my people, but as we know, with a lot of Black Americans, a lot of them do not want to look beyond what they're used to with the Western society. So, but I got to keep going strong. Africa, as far as like meeting Bomani, I heard him on a radio station with Kidi Awadu in Vegas, and from then I heard him and David was on the radio talking about Africa for the Africans, and I was like, oh, I've always wanted to go to Africa. So I took the information down, I looked on YouTube, I did the research, and then through Facebook, I befriended a guy over here in Ghana. They're young. But no, they were giving me a lot of information about Ghana because I had a lot of questions, even like teaching me Twi. They sent me gifts, as far as like clothes and, jewelry, like the traditional bracelets and things over here. Very, very nice. And I donated, I bought a computer for them. I shipped them a computer. So we just been, befriending, and very, very nice. So, but anyway, getting back to, I've always wanted to come to Africa. It's been just in my soul. Just, when you start to read about like your ancestors and what they went through, it's painful, some of it, to read.
Yes.
The demonic things that they did to our people. It's just, I don't know, it's overwhelming. But I just felt like there was a calling for me to come here and to just connect back and just to let my ancestors know that I just want to pay homage to them. It's really, really hard. And then yesterday, I have to say with Stephanie, I was bawling up there.
Yeah, we all.
I was so, yes, and seeing those babies, seeing their faces, I just want to be a part of, helping. I'm in UNIA. I try to keep myself active doing something where I'm around people who have like minds like mine. So I've joined a few organizations. I donate where I can, whenever. I'm like, whatever little bit is $50, $100, whatever it is, it's something. And it's going towards building something. But I really want to be a part of a real community. You know what I'm saying? I feel like Ghana is the place for me. I know I'm going to visit a lot of times. I do want to see go to other nations, other countries on the continent, but I really feel like I have a connection to Ghana. And of course, I got asked the question when I was when I said I was coming to Africa. Why you going to Africa? I said, why not? I said, I feel like this is where my ancestors are from. I want to go to Africa. To me, it's my home. I need to go back and connect to the people here. So I'm just happy that I'm on this journey. It was 2 years since I first, like I said, I heard them on the radio, and I'm just grateful to be here. I feel so much positive and great energy from everybody on this trip. You see my girl Mayola.
Yeah.
Everybody here, though, everybody is just beautiful, and that's what I got told too. How you going to Africa and you don't know nobody? I said, by the time I leave, I'm gonna know everybody, and everybody's gonna know me. These are my brothers and sisters, and I'm coming with an open mind. I'm coming with whatever. I'm gonna open my like everything for me to be able to receive whatever the universe has for me. I want to be open to it. So that's really it. I'm glad to be here. I'm having a wonderful time. Oh, yeah.
It's okay, I got you.
Yeah, I just want to say too that in 2016, now I had befriended Sass on Facebook. And we were talking, chatting back and forth, and I went to house in the park, but it was like the weekender. And that Sunday, I'm walking around, all a sea full of black folks in what's the park? I don't know.
Grant Park.
Grant Park. And so many people. Out of all these people, I said, there's Ghana, there's Sharon. I was like, there's that. And I saw her out of everybody and ran up to her like I just knew her. Yes, I did, and hugged her so tight. I said, I'm going to Ghana next year. I'm going with you, sister. Yes, I did. I said, I told my girlfriend, take a picture. Yes. I was so happy. I said,
I was so happy too. And that's one of the things about social media, particularly Facebook. We're posting on Facebook. But Hadiyah Sika, S-I-K-A, sister here, I didn't really know. That's yeah.
That was the brothers gave it to me. Those two brothers.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they said.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Okay. Mama Sika.
Oh, really?
It's good, y'all, but it's true. I just have to acknowledge both of my sisters too. We go to Mazella for sure. That's my Atlanta girl. But when the sister came through Grant Park, I was just at house music in the park, and it was all about Ghana and Africa for the Africans. And the enthusiasm that you had to see me, it's reciprocal. And already, Hadiyah, to be on this journey physically, because you can be with people on Facebook, but when you link up and you just hug us and take pictures, and you can be in, what city are you in now?
I'm in Valley Stream, Long Island.
Valley Stream, Long Island, but we're here right now, and you're a blessing to the whole journey. Let's give our sister a hand again. Beautiful queen, right? Like